slide a little bit more permanent.
One. Need it.
Your entire world is
I'd say it's pretty close to a 90 degree.
Yeah, I'd agree.
It's time to switch to Questrade. Retire wealthier with the Quest Wealth Portfolios RRSP at Questrade.com.
Then that ridgeline will go up
And Caroline.
50 inches.
We bring you the latest from Hollywood, from celebrities around the world.
Took some damage, but
Wow, the stove jack. You see how that come apart a bit?
that's right.
But I can puncture some holes, put little nuts and bolts in there like we did up the corners. Thank God we did that with the corners.
Yeah.
Lord knows where that would even be.
Yeah.
To support women's health initiatives in our communities. Join us in being a champion for women's health.
Yeah, that's about right.
Together, we're empowered. Together, we're healthier. Together, we're unstoppable.
With the You Deserve a VW sales event, you get more for less. That's more control, more space.
Still frozen there. We do have bolts on this. See the bolt nut right there. The bolts and nuts there. So it's just the weight of the ice. Stove itself. It's not too bad. Sorry. So anyway, well, so
We'll see what it looks like when I tighten that other corner.
we haven't even been out here 40 minutes yet, so get this set up and get her going. We got a lot of things we want to do here. Short amount of daylight.
What's that?
I just said we've only been out here 40 minutes and there's a lot of things we want to get done, so
Alright, I'm gonna have to tie that one again.
we're gonna have to get this up. And so the ridge line's going up, and we'll be back.
Tie that to that.
And our new stove, which we have brand new, which is a professional one. We tried to come out via lake today. My foot went through. A couple guys playing hockey, and so after my foot went through, we decided to just trail it in, so we did. It's a lot better than piss pouring rain, I'll tell you that. Very nice out here. With our swag, with our Pepsi holders. They fit trees really good.
Okay, let me tie this corner. Still tree root system, so just gonna tie it into the tree root system.
I'll take it right down. Yeah.